How to fix missing microphone voice input on Android device. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to fix missing microphone voice input on your Android device keyboard. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Open any messaging application on your device. Right now, I am on Notes. As you can see that the keyboard has appeared on the screen and you can easily view the voice input icon at the top right corner of this keyboard. So if this is missing on your device, then I will teach you the two ways to fix this kind of issue. Simply on this keyboard, tap the gear icon to access your keyboard settings page. Scroll down. Now on this section, tap on voice typing option. Ensure that you have toggle on the button for use voice typing. If it is toggle off, then you will find that the voice input icon has been missing on the keyboard. To get it back, go to the keyboard settings with the help of the gear icon, tap voice typing and toggle on the button. And then automatically it will appear on your keyboard. So that is the one way to fix missing microphone voice input on your Android keyboard. The next is exit from this page and open settings on your Android device. Scroll down, navigate to the option for additional settings depending upon your device. Tap additional settings. Now tap keyboard and input method. Now tap manage keyboards. Now toggle on the button for Google Voice Typing. If it is toggled off, then you will get the issue of microphone voice input missing on your keyboard, but make sure to toggle on the button and tap activate button for Google Voice Typing. And that's it. That's how we fix missing microphone voice input on your Android keyboard. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.